Welcome back to social studies. This is what all we studied about previous class. We studied about earth, right? Yes. How many layers we have in earth? 3 layers. Which all those? Core, mantle and crust, right? Yes. In core how many subtypes we have? 2 types. Which all those? Inner and outer, right? Yes. And what all we studied? Next, what all we studied? Yes, we studied about composition, about pie chart of our earth. Yes, how our earth will be look? It will be look in the form of global, right? Yes, as well as how many percent of oxygen we have? Composition 21%, right? Yes, how many percent of carbon dioxide? 0.03%. And water vapor or other how many percent it is considered? 1%. And nitrogen considered 78%, right? Yes. And everybody open your page number 16 and name the 3 layers of the earth. I told you, right? Yes, this will be your homework. And composition of the gases in the air. Just now I explained about pie chart. How many percentage nitrogen? Nitrogen have 78%, right? Yes. And oxygen how many percentage? Carbon dioxide how many percentage? Water vapor how many percentage water vapor? Carbon dioxide is nothing but 0.03%. Water vapor is nothing but 0.1%. This will be your homework. I already explained, but make sure it complete it and share the pics. Okay. Now we'll see about atmosphere. Yes, we'll see atmosphere. Before that, can see air exert a pressure on us. It measured using an instrument is called as barometer. Yes, in which we can measure the air. Yes, air pressure we can measure in the which instrument is known as barometer. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see about atmosphere. The cover of the air around the earth is called as atmosphere. Yes. Earth around. Okay. Earth around completely covered with the air. Specifically air. Yes, that is called as atmosphere. Okay. Yes, our earth is surrounded by the thick layer of the air, which is mixture of the different gases. Yes, obviously whichever the air is covered our earth or surrounded, it will be very thick. Thick is nothing but very large or a broad. It will be very thick layer of the air. Which air it will consider? It is mixed up with different gases. Okay, not only one where it is considered, it is considered in the different gases. It is mixed up with the different gases. Okay, all living beings breathe in the is in the air. Yes, all living beings breathe in the air. Living beings without breathe, they can live. We are living or non-living? We are living, because without air we can't live, right? Yes. Next we'll see life on the earth is possible only due to the presence of water and air on it. Yes, obviously, if we want to live the life, what all we required? Water and air, right? Yes, without that we can live, or living things can live? No, it can't. We can't live. Yes, it is extended to 1,600 kilometers above the surface of the earth. Yes, it is extended, whatever the air or water, it is extended on the surface of the earth 1,600 kilometers above. Okay, how many kilometers? 1,600 600 kilometers above. Yes. The air gets thinner the further you get away from the earth. Air pressure decreases as we go higher. Yes. If automatically the air layer get very thinner, we can't survive on the earth. Okay. Air pressure will be decreased. We are unable to live on the time. Okay. Without air, the living beings cannot live. So that atmosphere will always be covered, surrounded the earth. In which form it will be? It will be in the form of air. Okay. Next, everybody open a page number 17. In that, what is earth? The earth is, in this, the earth is, yes, planet. Okay. What is earth? Earth is planet. About 3/4 of total area of earth is covered with what? It is covered. What it is covered? It is covered full of which is this sky blue color we can see. Yes, it is nothing but water. Water is 3/4. Only 1/4 is land, where we are living. Okay. Yes, 3/4 of water and only 1/4 of land in the earth, and we are living only in the part of 1/4. Okay. Yes, the earth is the home of dash and dash. Yes, which we can see. Yes, plants and animals. Yes, right? For them the earth is only home, right? Yes. Plants and animals. Okay. Yes. Life is possible on the earth because of dash and dash. Yes. Without air and water we can live. No, life is possible on the earth due to only air and water. Okay. Air and water. Yes. Our earth is made up of layers. Which all those? Core, mantle and crust, right? Yes, the earth is made up of layers. The 3 layers of the earth are dash and dash. Yes. Which all the 3 layers? Core, mantle and crust. Okay. You got through, no? Yes. The earth is a dash is nothing but planet. About 3/4 of total area on the earth is covered of water, and only a 1/4 of it is covered with the land. Okay. Next, the earth is the home of the dash and dash. Yes, plants and animals. Okay. The earth is a home of for which and which? Plants and animals. Life is possible on the earth because of dash and dash. Without air and water we can live? No, we can't live. Yes. Our earth is made up of dash. Yes, obviously layers. Yes. Which are those layers? Core, mantle and crust. Okay. Yes. Now this is also will be your homework. See, she is the first Indian woman to go into the space. She traveled into spacecraft called Columbia, but thus crashed in it away it back. She was born on 1st July 1961 in Karnal, Haryana. Okay. This is also, you should write those names. Okay. She was the second Indian woman to go into the space. She has made up a world record by giving the space in the maximum time. Find out how much time she was in the space and in which area. Okay. You write just their names. It's more enough. Okay. Yes. He was the first Indian to go into space in 19 84. What you have to do? Just you have to write those names. Search in Google and you have to write those names. Page number 16 and 17 will be your homework. Okay. Okay. Anyway, students, bye. Meet you up at next class.